Master AI right now. Because if you don't, your job is already gone. And you won't even see it coming. This is not a warning about the future. This is happening right now. Today. As you watch this video, companies around the world are quietly replacing their employees with AI. Not because those employees were bad at their jobs, but because AI does the same job faster, cheaper, without breaks, without salary, without complaints. Goldman Sachs released a report saying 300 million jobs will be affected by AI in the next few years. Accountants, lawyers, writers, designers, customer service agents, teachers. These are not low-skill jobs. These are careers people spent years building. And AI is taking them one by one. Let me give you real examples. A law firm in New York replaced 20 junior lawyers with one AI system. A marketing agency let go of their entire content team after adopting ChatGPT. A design studio replaced 15 graphic designers with Midjourney and Canva AI. These are not stories from the future. These happened in the last 2 years. And the companies doing this are not evil. They are just doing what businesses do. Cutting costs, increasing efficiency. And AI makes that easier than ever before. The question is not whether this will happen to your industry. The question is when. So what exactly do you need to learn? First, ChatGPT. This is the foundation of everything. Learn how to write powerful prompts. Learn how to use it for research, writing, planning and problem solving. Second, AI image generation. Tools like Midjourney, Canva AI and Adobe Firefly. These are skills companies are desperate for right now. Third, AI video creation. Tools like Runway, Pika and CapCut AI. Video is the most consumed content on the internet. And AI has made it accessible to everyone. Fourth, AI automation tools like Zapier and Make. These connect different apps and automate repetitive tasks. Master these 4 areas, and you become someone AI cannot replace. Now here is the good news. You do not need a degree to master AI. You do not need months of study. You need focus. Start with one tool. Spend 1 hour every day learning it. After 1 week you will be better than 90% of people around you. After 1 month you will have a skill companies will pay for. After 3 months you will have completely transformed what you are able to offer professionally. The internet is full of free resources. YouTube tutorials. Free courses. AI communities. Everything you need is available right now. For free. The only thing standing between you and AI mastery is the decision to start. Let me tell you about the people who are winning right now. A 22-year-old from Texas learned AI video creation in 3 months. He now makes $8,000 a month as a freelancer. A 35-year-old teacher in Canada learned how to use AI to create online courses. She replaced her entire teaching salary within 6 months. A graphic designer in London who was about to be replaced by AI learned Midjourney and Canva AI instead. And tripled his income by offering AI design services. These people are not special. They are not geniuses. They simply decided to master AI instead of fearing it. And that single decision changed everything. Here is the truth nobody wants to say out loud. AI is not going to slow down. It is not going to stop. it is not going to feel sorry for anyone. Every single day it gets smarter. Every single day it takes on more tasks. Every single day the gap grows between people who use AI and people who do not. 5 years from now there will be two kinds of people in the workforce. Those who mastered AI early, and those who wished they had. You are watching this video right now, which means you still have time. The window is open. But it will not stay open forever. Master AI right now. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Right now. Subscribe to Mind Shock AI for more videos that will keep you ahead of everyone else. And remember, the best investment you can ever make is in yourself.